Yo, what up, fam, and welcome to my Bits channel to update you on cryptocurrency earnings and cryptocurrency news. Today is June 11th, and it is yet again another great day for the cryptocurrency markets. Crypto is going through the roof, and Bitcoin has surpassed 3,000. I never saw it myself at 3,000, but I've seen it online, and right now, when I refresh my computer, it is at 29.55. That's pretty amazing. I hear that it's not that big of a deal that BIP 148 is coming, that that it shouldn't affect Bitcoin's price that much. I doubt there will be a fork, and I doubt that there will ever be two Bitcoins. That's just my perspective. I'm hoping that I'm right and that things continue the way they're going. So yeah, let's just get into the markets. And the market cap for the whole cryptocurrency market is 112 billion, and that keeps on going steadily up. The dominance is at 43.1%, and that leads me to ask myself when Bitcoin is going to lose more than 40% dominance, and what's going to happen when Bitcoin has like 10% dominance. You know, you got to ask yourself those questions, because that could definitely affect the price in the future. So it's things to worry about. Ethereum is at 346, Ripple is at 27 cents, Ethereum Classic is at 21.89, NEM is at 21 cents, Litecoin is at 33.25, Dash has shot up to almost 200, it's at 196 with 29 cents, BitShares is at 34 cents, Stratus is at 8.56, and Monero is at 56.72. So the word bubble has been flying around a lot, and personally I don't think this is a bubble. I just think that people have finally found something new to put their money into, and somewhere that they believe is a safe haven, and it's something that you can keep track of, and it's online, and you know what the numbers are for each of the currencies and all that stuff. So it just seems like a safer method than other type of assets, stocks, bonds, those things. People are still comparing it to the NASDAQ, and the way I see it, I think it's different in the sense that they're trying to make it like money, so you could use money. I don't know what stocks or anything like that you could use as money on the street. So yeah. Alright, so getting into some stories that I read. One of them is long-term cryptocurrency analysis, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. And this is just some charts and some technical analysis of these three coins. And then at the end, it has a couple good pieces of advice for anybody that's thinking of getting into these coins and how to, you know what I'm saying, how to invest in the right way. It says here, if you believe that cryptocurrencies are just at the beginning of their success stories, then there are several ways to profit from the boom. As we stressed in our article on Bitcoin, not all strategies are binary, either holding asset or not. There are many long and short-term investments and trading strategies that can be successful in a roaring bull market like the one that the crypto coin segment is experiencing. But mixing the time frames and mixing trading and investing could lead to troubles. It also goes on to say, here are some of the possible strategies, and these strategies are like really important because you don't want to make no mistakes, and you just gotta put your money aside, and you have to have the saver's mentality for cryptocurrencies. I've always had a saver's mentality, so it works out great for me. Here are some of the possible strategies. Buy and hold without caring about day-to-day or even month-to-month fluctuations. Buy and hold a core position and add on the major dips, a very powerful strategy. Buy a certain amount every week or month and even out your entry price without the hassle of timing the market. And you really don't want to try to time the market because it could backfire. It's backfired for me, so I rather myself just buy and hold. It says, try to catch major turning points to reduce and reboost your position. And trade short-term movements with stop losses, targets, and strict risk management. This is trading, not investing. So you gotta decide what you're gonna do with your funds. You gotta decide trading or investing. We will keep on providing all short-term and long-term information. You need to pursue whatever strategy you choose. Stay tuned for our detailed analysis every week. And that's what I'm gonna be trying to do on this channel as well. All right, the next story that comes up. Google's director of engineering won't invest in Bitcoin, and this is a cool story because it's somebody that I've seen in the past and that I know a little bit about, and it's Kurzweil, and he's the one that termed the singularity and how machine and humans are gonna intertwine and become. There's going to be a symbiosis in the future, and yeah, robots and all of that stuff. So he's a pretty interesting dude. He's had an amazing career, and he's a little skeptical about Bitcoin as the future of money. It says here, Kurzweil said, ultimately, people need to have confidence in their currency, and Bitcoin in particular has not really demonstrated that. It has a good year, but very rocky life before that. And he's talking about volatility and how it could go up and down $100 in an hour, and then up a few $100s in a whole day. So it has an extreme volatility. It has had an uptrend since the beginning, but it has had a major drop since Mt. Gox. And yeah, everybody's skeptical, which you should be. He concluded, providing greater transparency, and blockchain does provide that, could be something adopted by leading currencies like existing national currencies. Alright, fam, and the last story I'm going to cover for y'all today is Charlie Lee resigns from Coinbase to focus on Litecoin. So yeah, the creator, or I think he's the creator, Charlie Lee, founder of Litecoin, Charlie Lee tweeted Friday that he will no longer be working for Coinbase. He is leaving the company to focus on his brainchild creation and Litecoin. This news comes as a welcome surprise to the Litecoin community, who are entering into a new stage of maturation as they recently elected to activate segregated witness, which is what we are witnessing with Bitcoin at the moment, but they can't seem to come together and figure it out, and that's what we are waiting for. Although the backlogs have not been so congested, because I checked yesterday and they really weren't doing that bad. There was like 39,000 unconfirmed transactions, and if I refresh right now, there is 28,000 unconfirmed transactions. So that is really not that bad. It looks like things don't need to affect Bitcoin that much if the transactions are going through very fast. It goes on to say here, since the Litecoin ecosystem is yearning for growth and the ability to be more competitive with other cryptocurrencies, Lee's entrance back onto the scene is an extraordinary event. It is perfect timing. This is especially true since SegWit is currently being tested. The community may need strong and viable leadership to navigate any troubled waters while the sky clears and the horizon shifts back into focus. So that's awesome for Litecoin. I'm holding some Litecoin. Litecoin is good. It's at like 32 right now, so that's pretty chilling. I see Litecoin maybe going up to 100 right now with the way the prices have been shifting. It's pretty crazy. Dash itself was at, I remember when Dash was 50 bucks. I remember when Dash was like under 20 bucks. I never got any, but Yeah, it's the prices for the mineable coins and all of that, they've really moved up. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you liked anything on it, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to try to get some free Dash, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Steemit. Leave comments on both, and I'm giving out Dash daily, so you already know. Brings me joy trying to spread a good message and share some news. So yeah, stay blessed, keep making those crypto gains. Peace.